Neck and shoulder tension is very common. Seated neck stretch is a simple and effective way to relieve this tension. Sit tall and straight in your chair. Slowly tilt your head gently to one side. Hold the stretch for a few deep breaths. Repeat on the other side. Next, try doing shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Then, roll them back and down. Repeat this a few times. Shoulder rolls help to release tension and improve blood flow circulation. You can do them at your desk or even while watching TV. Remember to breathe deeply. The upper back and chest can get tight. Seated chest expansion is a great pose to open these areas. Sit tall in your chair. Clasp your hands behind your back. Lift your chest and look up slightly. Hold for a few breaths. Arm circles are another good exercise. Extend your arms out to the sides. Make small circles with your arms, then reverse the direction. These exercises help to counteract the effects of sitting. Doing them regularly can improve posture. Focus on your breath and enjoy the stretch. Focus on the stretch, allowing your body to fully benefit from the exercise. Tension. Final relaxation is important. It helps to calm the mind and body. Deep breathing is a good way to start. Sit tall in your chair. Close your eyes. Take deep breaths in and out. Focus on your breath. Next, try a simple relaxation technique. Imagine a peaceful place. Stay in this place for a few minutes. These relaxation techniques are easy to do. Regular practice will help to keep your mind and body relaxed. Breathe deeply and focus on the peaceful place. This can make the practice more effective and calming. Chair yoga is a simple yet powerful practice. It helps to reduce stress and boost energy. It is perfect for seniors and office workers. The exercises are easy to do. They do not take much time. You can do them anywhere. Regular practice is important. Doing these exercises daily can make a big difference. It can improve flexibility and reduce tension. It can also boost energy and improve mood. Start with a few exercises each day. The key is to be consistent. Keep practicing and see the positive changes.